morning, everybody. So the date today is Thursday, July 23rd, and it's 9:30 in the morning. You guys probably won't see this video until later because all my videos are pre-filmed at the moment. I have a lot I need to do today. I made some lemon water this morning because I have really been trying to up my water intake just because it has been so bad. I have not been drinking enough water. I changed up how I make my iced coffee and it's just a game changer, guys. I've been using oat milk and I'll show you guys the kind I've been using in my little iced coffee montage. But it is such a game changer. It is amazing. I totally recommend it. It's so good. It just like changes the whole flavor of the coffee and it's delicious. I'm obsessed.
I love that girl. I love that girl. Okay.
The brand Soho's gifted me these super cute glasses and I just want to show you guys them. They are these UV blue light glasses. They're so flipping cute. So I got these ones. And you know, they kind of give me like librarian vibes. And then I also got these ones. I just think they're so cute and they're clear. And then I also got these sunglasses too, which I'm obsessed with. I really needed a new pair of sunglasses, so these are perfect. I need to take a few Instagram pictures with them. So let's do that. I just got done taking the Instagram pictures for the glasses and I'm actually obsessed with them. They're so cute. But I'll insert the pictures that I took right here. Now I'm going to be going to Old Navy here in a few minutes, but I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna have a little snack before I go. These are like my current favorite snack. I'm obsessed with them. They taste so good. I got them from TJ Maxx. You need to try them. We arrived to Old Navy. I'm so tired. I need coffee ASAP. Okay, so we just got out of TJ Maxx. We picked up these snacks, salt and vinegar popcorn, and I'm very intrigued, so we're gonna try it. Oh my gosh, it is so good.
No, we just have the birthday note.
From Starbucks, I got my new usual, which is just a grande iced latte with 2 cups of toffee nut syrup. So good, go get it, you won't regret it. And then I'm also starving, so I got a bacon gouda breakfast sandwich. I just did some retail therapy and I ordered these super cute face masks from Pure Vita and they like collabed with Vera Bradley and I think they're so cute. So me and my mom and my sister all got one. Now I got to clean my room before I go to work. I bought this plant stand at TJ Maxx and it's so cute. And I originally had this plant in there, which is sadly dying. So I need to like kind of heal it, but I don't know how. So I'm gonna figure that out. But it was just too big and I didn't like how it looked. So I think I'm going to stack, like I just have like a whole bunch of books. I'm gonna stack books and then I'm gonna put a little succulent on top. So I'm hoping that'll be cute. When I went to the beach, I got all of these shells, so I wanted something to put them in. I went to TJ Maxx and I got this beautiful little dish bowl and I'm gonna fill it with the shells that I got. But it was like $6 at TJ Maxx, so it was super cheap. And I just think this will be such a beautiful way to display all the shells I got. I'm gonna go do this in my kitchen. Oh my gosh, this turned out so flipping cute. This is my dinner for today. I have a side salad with like this like garlic pasta and chicken.